Hello guys, today I will introduce you the Vstitcher interface. If you don't have this software, please go to browser.com. After that, just scroll down to the bottom, check everything what these websites have, and go to ND program. Click on ND program and you will see the 2020 program is now open for application. So you have to scroll down a little bit and put your first name, last name, your email address, and send this application. The next day, you will receive an email from Browser Global, which explanation for you how to install this software and how to get the license. This software is free trial, so please do it right now. You have to write down besides your email, website, or maybe something what you can explain who you are and country where you're from, and just do it and send it. So when we open Vstitcher first time, it's exactly look like this. Deborah, the default avatar model, appears in a 3D window. This is exactly 3D window. From left side of the 3D window, we have 2D window. Now I'm gonna put some my file to explain how it's supposed to be look like, what I was working already. So in 2D window, we see is all garments pattern. From in the left side from the 2D window, it's resource tab. And the right side from the 3D window, we can see context view. At the very top of the screen over here, we can see the main menu. File, you can see like if you click everything what you can do with this file when you're working. Edit, copy, paste, or whatever you need to do. View, you can change your 2D toolbar or 3D window, how you really like to work. And tools, you have to check every tool if you're gonna working later on. Enrollment, you can check and see how lights you like to be in your computer, or something floor what 3D has, because right now my Deborah just standing on the floor. Garment view, I can just show you garment information. It's t-shirts and it's exactly from iClouds. I just put this pattern, so I will send you this pattern to work about. And help. The help link can take us to the online help center, a great resource with additional information on the interface and all the Vstitcher's functions. Below the main menu is the toolbar. Let's see how some tools over here can be working in action. I just wanna tell you, because you designers, you know for sure, like you have to use at least 3-button mouse, because we need to do something like on our 2D window, increase in or zoom or out our pattern, and we have to use the wheel to do this. In 2D part, we can see in the resources tab, we can see all pattern pieces. And if we just click on pattern piece, we can see like it's light up in a 2D window. Or sleeves. On the material part of the resource tab, we can see materials in the garment, fabric, seams, artwork, trim, and colors. So click it. You can see we use the single jersey and rib 2x2. We use the double needle stitch on our garment. We can see artwork, trims, and it's a lot of colors over here. Next one, it's 3D part of resource tab. Here we can see any avatars and choose what kind of avatar we can have. We can see snapshots, so how this garment look like in already copy in a computer. Or it's closet. On closet we have shoes. Now let's put the shoes on our model. Look at it now. Our Deborah has a sneakers, and it's so cool like that. The first button on the left side of the main toolbar allows us to easily switch from the standard workplace, how it's look like right now, to colorways workplace, and come back again. The colorways workplace is a great for